Okay, fifth.
Good afternoon, everyone, and my respected teacher. Today, our topic is the ban of 2000 rupees note. We know that our government has declared that at 23rd May that 2000 rupee note will not be valuable as legal note from 31st September. For that, the government has ordered citizens to change their 2000 rupees note as soon as possible from the bank. 2000 rupees note will be changed from any other bank. We have seen this kind of thing at the year of 2016, but at that year our government, PM Narendra Modi, said one night that the rupee of 500 and 1000 will not be granted from the at about 12 o'clock at night. From the 12 o'clock at night. So for that, in the time of day, we faced a huge problem for this announcement, because the time period was very short and we have much 1000 and 500 rupees notes. So we faced problems, and the most of the problem has faced by the family members of whom for whom one family member was admitted in hospital, because they could not pay up 500 and 1000 rupees note, and the hospital would not have also been received them. So they faced a huge problem. But this time I think we will not face this type of problem, because the time we have very much time, and in that time period we can easily change those 2000 rupees notes which we have collected. I cannot tell the proper date, but RBI has stopped to prepare 2000 rupees note. So the notes has also raised from people. So which people has 2000 rupees note, I think they will not face problem, because the time period is very long. I think the bad effects which we have showed in that 2016, that the note was get from the drains, or this kind of I think that this will not be shown. And this all of my viewpoints. Thank you for giving me opportunity.